You unlock the front door, exhausted from the day. You step inside. Instantly, your keys hit the nearest flat surface, the mail scatters across the console, your coat ends up draped over a chair. This isn't laziness, it is a systemic spatial failure. Welcome to the entryway drop zone. In environmental psychology, this space is a critical transition node. It bridges the high-stimulus outside world with your private sanctuary. Yet, without clear visual cues, this node becomes a trap. It triggers a chaotic dumping loop that drains your mental energy. We often blame ourselves for this mess. We assume it is a lack of discipline. But the problem is not your willpower. It is a missing behavioral nudge. According to environmental psychology, your entryway is a vital transition node. When you shift from a high-stimulus environment, your brain seeks immediate relief. Without clear spatial affordances, you dump your belongings chaotically. This creates an immediate visual bottleneck. Research from the UCLA Center on Everyday Lives of Families proves this. Household clutter significantly elevates your cortisol levels. It creates a massive mental load. Your entryway is actively draining your energy. The consequences bleed into the next day. This chaotic dumping ground guarantees morning routine stress. Behavioral architecture offers a different path. Optimizing this space with clear visual cues lowers cognitive fatigue. We must stop fighting our habits and start hacking our environment. Look closely at the physical mechanics of entering your home. You cross the threshold, and your brain immediately seeks cognitive relief. Without designated seating or storage, the environment offers zero spatial affordances. You drop things wherever gravity allows. The UCLA Center on Everyday Lives of Families measured this exact phenomenon. They found that household clutter directly spikes your cortisol levels. It creates a massive, invisible mental load. We can engineer our way out of this trap. Behavioral architecture provides the blueprint. By optimizing residential spatial organization, we eliminate the friction. The secret lies in microzoning. We must create dedicated drop zones within the entryway. A simple hook or a specific tray acts as a passive visual cue. They bypass your exhausted decision-making process. Your environment now dictates the flow, guiding your behavior automatically. This systemic redesign pays its highest dividends the next morning. Clear visual cues have already organized your essentials. There is no frantic searching or cognitive bottleneck at the door. Intuitive room flow significantly lowers morning routine stress. You step out of the door in a frictionless state of flow. You have successfully hacked your environment. The misconception is that you lack discipline. The reality is that your environment lacks structure. Relying on sheer willpower after a long day always fails. Instead, environmental psychology proves we need designated seating and storage. These clear spatial affordances do the heavy lifting for your tired brain. Compare the chaotic entryway to a microzone transition node. In the chaotic space, every misplaced key drains your morning energy. In the optimized space, intuitive room flow takes over. Passive visual cues catch your belongings effortlessly. You transition from high-stimulus chaos to restorative private space without friction. Stop relying on willpower to fix your messy habits. Look closely at your entryway's physical layout tonight. Identify the exact spot where your momentum breaks and clutter builds. This is your primary point of cognitive friction. Install a single hook or a dedicated tray right at that bottleneck. These passive visual cues will instantly absorb your mental load. You are no longer fighting your own exhaustion. Redesign your transition node and reclaim your state of flow.